I want to persuade you to choose plastic bags instead of paper bags. Today, the most common packages are considered to be plastic bags and paper bags. Both of them are useful in humankind in daily activities, but all packages have differences, and often the question arises, which of them is better? And many people believe that paper bags are environmentally friendly than plastic bags. Because they are made from renewable sources, they can biodegrade and they are recyclable. However, plastic bags outperform paper bags environmentally from resource use, manufacturing, reuse, and solid waste volume and generation. Now I want to talk about resource use. Paper bags have much global potential because papers come from trees. As you know, one of the functions of trees is to decompose carbon dioxide, and the more trees are used for the manufacture of paper bags, the higher will be the problem of greenhouse effect, which triggers global warming. And plastic bags are invented as alternative to paper bags to protect trees. Plastic bags are made from polyethylene. Polyethylene is made from ethane, which is the strand of natural gas. Natural gas comes from oil. Some people think that the manufacture of plastic bags can make the country addicted to oil. However, it's not true, because less than 0.05% of a barrel of oil goes for the production of plastic bags, and from 93 to 95% of this oil goes for the production of fuels and for the other heat purposes. Now I want to talk about manufacturing. According to the Scottish Government report, manufacture of paper bags consumes 4 times more water than the manufacture of plastic bags, and the manufacture of paper bags generates 3 times more greenhouse gases than the manufacture of plastic bags. Now I want to talk about reuse. Paper bags tend to fail on reuse, and they are not waterproof. In this picture, you can see that the paper bag which burst when hot soap spilled inside it. I'm sure that this wouldn't happen if plastic bag will be used, because plastic bags are highly reusable. Now I want to talk about solid waste. The significant difference between plastic bag and paper bag is that paper bags produce additional volume and tonnage for the waste stream, because paper bags are heavier than plastic bags. The typical paper bag weighs for 55 grams, and the typical plastic bag weighs from 6 to 8 grams. In this picture, you can see that to transport 1,000 paper bags, we need to use 7 dumpsters, and to transport the same amount of plastic bags, we need only one dumpster. Now I want to talk about recycling. Both of the bags are highly recyclable. However, a lot of people think that plastic bags are not recyclable. The problem is that people don't know that plastic bags are recyclable for 100%, and is that not all countries has access for the recycling of these plastic bags. For example, Canada is one of the countries that has a high level of plastic bags recycling, because they develop the networks for the development of recycling. In conclusion, I want to say that plastic bags in their current form are more environmentally friendly than paper bags, and in addition, plastic bags are highly reusable, and they generate less waste.